Imagine finally walking into the gym and seeing your chest actually grow week after week. Fuller, stronger, powerful. The kind of chest that fills out a plain t-shirt like armor. You've been showing up every week. Monday is chest day. You push, you sweat, you grind. But months later, your reflection hasn't changed. Same flat chest, same frustration. It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you're skipping workouts. It's because hidden inside your routine are tiny silent killers. Mistakes that feel normal but are destroying your progress. Your chest should be your centerpiece. It defines your physique, your posture, your confidence. But when it's underdeveloped, everything feels off, like wearing a suit with flip-flops. Today, we fix that, because these 8 mistakes are holding you back. And once you correct them, your chest will finally respond. Not next year, not someday. Starting now. Stop dropping the bar like a rock. The lowering phase, the eccentric, is where real growth happens. That's when your pec fibers are stretched and broken down to rebuild stronger. Lower it under control for 2 to 3 seconds. Chest up, shoulders locked. Don't bounce it. If it feels too heavy, drop the weight, not your form. Half reps equal half results. The magic happens at the stretch, that deep bottom position that lights up every fiber of your pecs. Full range of motion isn't about ego, it's about evolution. Perfect form beats heavy weight every single time. Your chest isn't one flat slab. It's 3 regions, upper, middle, and lower, each with its own job. Ignore that, and your physique stays flat. Train smart, incline presses for upper, flat bench for middle, dips and declines for lower. Hit all 3 and your chest transforms from flat to 3D. If your shoulders roll forward, your chest shuts off. Every rep shifts tension away from your pecs and into your joints. Pull your shoulder blades back and down like you're tucking them into your back pockets. Keep that position locked in every rep. If your triceps are sore but your chest isn't, you're doing it wrong. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Not too wide, not too tucked. Feel the pecs contract, not just the weight move. Drop the ego, control the bar, and let your chest lead the lift. Too little, no progress. Too much, no recovery. The sweet spot? 10 to 20 hard sets a week. Real focused sets near failure. Track your sets. Split your volume across 2 sessions. Quality beats quantity every single time. Training chest only on Mondays? That's old school. Your pecs recover in 48, 72 hours. You're wasting potential days of growth. Hit chest twice a week. 1 heavy compound day, 1 isolation day. You'll grow faster, lift stronger, and stay injury-free. Do the same workout every week, and your chest has no reason to grow. Progressive overload is the engine of transformation. Add reps, increase sets, reduce rest, slow the tempo. Always give your body a new reason to adapt. Building a bigger chest isn't about doing more. It's about doing it right. Master these fundamentals, and your reflection will finally match your effort. So tell me, which one of these mistakes are you fixing first? Drop it in the comments. And if this video hit home, smash that subscribe button, because your transformation starts here.